I'm Joe Lazarowitz. I'm an applications engineer with Tsugami America. We were having some issues with cutting Rene 41, which is a nice nickel-based alloy, nice and hard to cut. We had to remove 147 thou depth of cut, single pass, over 2 inches of length on a Swiss lathe, which is a very difficult process. Here's what other competitor stuff was doing. It was just kind of smearing the material and it was heat treating it. It made this really nasty chip, and Tungaloy came in, they gave us a specific grade, a specific chip breaker geometry. We were using the PS chip breaker with an AH8015 grade, and we tested that out. Everything worked out fantastic. We got a really beautiful surface finish on the part. Everything was in spec, and we actually increased the expected tool life from what the customer was expecting. We quadrupled that on their floor. So they were very, very satisfied. As an applications engineer, the goal is to make the customer happy, satisfied. At the same time, I get to play around with, some of the latest and greatest technology in the machinist space, and working with Tungaloy was a really good experience for me.